Today was an exciting day. We got our packaging back. Welcome to Brick by Brick, a step-by-step YouTube series that documents the building of a company from start to finish.
Okay, they're here.
Okay, so remember I was working on this packaging for a long time with Christy. Well, let me show you what it looks like. This is the box, this is the die line. This is how the packaging is going to look when it arrives. You can see that it's glued on this side right here, actually. Yeah, if you flip it open, you can see that it's glued right along this edge. And so they pre-glue some of this for you to make it easier to assemble. But basically, this is what it's gonna look like. We have the bright foil on here, right, that kind of shines. And then this is the front of the vape case. Let me show you what it looks like when it's all folded up. Boom. This is what it looks like. Now, here's one of the reasons why we do test prints. Obviously, just by looking at this, you can't tell what it is. Even when I put it in front of the close-up camera, you can't tell. You just don't know exactly what it is until you give it a second or two. It doesn't pass the drop test. You can't tell what it is within a half a second. That means we need to redesign the packaging. We have to take ownership for that and fix it. So I talked to my designer and we came up with a couple of different options. One of the things that we're gonna do is maybe make vape case bigger, put it down the side here, or we're gonna take these 3 vape cases right here and make them a little bit larger. Maybe move the smoke up a little bit, make these larger, a little bit more prominent, so you can really see what it is. Because I mean, man, look at this compared to the vape case. It fits perfectly in there. It works really well. Like, it looks great when you put all 3 in there, but you just can't tell what it is, and I'm not okay with that. Another thing that we want to change is when you open up the inside of the packaging, we want a message to be written right up here inside the lid, because that's me. That's fun. That's it. That's my style. And so that's what we're going to work on. So we have to make some alterations to the packaging, but that's okay. This was our first print. It cost us like $80 to get the samples made, and it saved us from going down a path that wasn't exactly the best one. So very exciting day. It's literally within a day or two that we had samples of the actual silicone cases. We had samples of the packaging. This is becoming a real tangible product. It's very exciting. And this is the fun part, in my opinion. We're going to start building out the channels to sell and the affiliates and the websites and everything soon. But first, we have to get a product that we can take pictures of. And that's our goal.